All right, ladies and gentlemen, the superstars in the house, can we make some noise? All the CDs and Tali.
I'll take it. Thank you. Come, we quickly do this, okay? Okay, so where are we getting the first?
There are also news, Kareena, कि
Diary.
हाँ, करीना हियर, जैसे अभी जैक और तैमूर का जिक्र करा गया, क्या जो आपके ऑन स्क्रीन सन हैं और तैमूर दोनों दोस्त भी हैं? Are they friends?
नहीं, not at all. That's not true. They completely. Taimur was not even at the shoot.
ओके, और द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट, जब हम बात करते हैं अंसल मेहता साहब की एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा बनाते हैं, और आपकी जब हम बात करते हैं, आपने शायद ही कोई सिनेमा छोड़ा होगा जो आपने नहीं किया होगा, विद ऑल डी रिस्पेक्ट अंसल सर की तरफ से, तो आपके लिए क्या चैलेंजिंग? सही है
आपको,
सही है,
देख लो। अच्छा, अभी नोट कर लिया।
तो व्हाट इज द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट व्हाइल वर्किंग विद अंसल सर, क्योंकि ये एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा है और एक अलग तरह की तैयारी है।
I wouldn't say that एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा है. I think जैसे आज देखा जाए तो I don't think there is कि ये ऐसे सिनेमा है because it is this kind of a song and dance film, so we should put it in a box कि ये mass picture है, ये अच्छी picture है तो लोग देखेंगे. And we have I think there's nobody better than to make this film which has such amazing content at the same time as emotion than Hansal himself, because I think the way he has shot it and stuck to the authenticity of the film, which is वो लंदन में रहने वाली है, her life is in UK, so when you live there you talk to people in English only. तो जो कैरेक्टर्स वहाँ के हैं, जो हिंदी जानते हैं हम हिंदी बात कर रहे हैं, जो अंग्रेजी है अंग्रेजी बात कर रहे हैं. So it's a different mix, and I think he's been perfect to shoot this film and make this film with the emotion.
Question is to Kareena, if the detective side of yours, if you take yourself that in the real life, what is that one thing you really try to figure out all the time?
That how the paps always know where we are, na? I should be a detective to them.
Hey everyone, congratulations.
Me being a mother myself understands the fact that माँ के प्यार का तो कोई भाषा नहीं होता. उसकी आंखों में है उसका प्यार, उसका दर्द आंखों से दिखता है. Nothing else. No? That's important.
And I think you can see Kareena, her eyes speak more than any dialogue in the film. मतलब उनकी आंखों में मतलब 1000 कहानियां हैं और 1000 दर्द है. वो मतलब उनमें बहुत सारी बैक स्टोरीज है. आप खुद ही बनाओगे उनको. इतना मतलब खूबसूरत परफॉर्म किया है. I mean, she has so much to offer.
Hi guys, this side. करीना मैम से होगा. अभी आपने एक माँ की बात का जिक्र किया, मेरा सवाल उसी से जुड़ा हुआ था. जैज भी एक मदर है फिल्म में, तो आपने कैसे कनेक्ट किया विद दैट कैरेक्टर, बिकॉज शी इज ऑल्सो सफरिंग फ्रॉम हर पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स वाइल शी इज सॉल्विंग हर मर्डर केस. वैसे ही रियल लाइफ में भी पर्सनल फ्रंट पे भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें चल रही होती है और प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट पे यू आर रॉकिंग एज ऑलवेज. सो हाउ डू यू डू दैट?
I think that is what connected me to the character, which I felt was that it was the emotion and her emotional arc which I wanted to portray on screen, apart from also, her being one of my favorite characters to play, which is a detective. So somehow it just had so much soul in it that I felt that this is the right time for me to feel this character and to play it. Also, it would be very different from, whether it was Crew or whether it was Jaane Jaan, which also happened this year. And I feel it is the duty of every actor to also try to keep doing something differently over and over again. And that is something which I love doing. So as far as also your next question, which was balancing personal and professional, I don't know. I think I enjoy that hustle of, working at the same time of, being a mother and a wife. I love it.
ट्रिपल के है, ट्रिपल सक्सेसफुल है, But most importantly, I always say this, पिक्चरें 3 चीजों की वजह से चलती है, एंटरटेनमेंट, 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 और ये एंटरटेनमेंट है ऑफ द लेजिट क्रेडिबल ऑर्डर.
Lovely. और ये queen of entertainment है, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, the master craftsman. Thank you so much, Ansal sir.
Nayan has a question.
Nayan?
Thank you for not calling me Maverick again.
I didn't.
वो upset हो जाएगा वो.
पूछो.
I want to say this in front of everybody because I think that collectively both of you women, because you spoke about women, right, have 50 years of experience, 50 years of credibility, and 50 years of actually empowering other women who are possibly voiceless and faceless, have remained voiceless and faceless for so many years. This is, I saw the questions that came your way. You know, this is your 4th film with her. You've done an Urta Punjab, you've done a Crew, you've done a Veeredi Wedding, and both of you have done it together. Commercial, thoda arty and all of that, but all of them have done great numbers. Do you feel as women, it is unfair that after so many credible box office hits, you are still asked and questioned, saying ki, "Are ye commercial nahi hai?" Do you think you have to prove it with every film, no matter how many numbers and how much pull you have at the box office? Does it get to you at any point, both of you?
I have to say this, that every film of Kareena's with mine has some box office predictions of 4 and 5. And she opens at 10 every time.
but इतना pressure आप क्यों डाल रहे हो? ये तो अलग film है.
ये picture पे नहीं होगा, of course, this is not that kind of film, but till now she's always done that. So it's like, when you do a commercially viable, big budget Bollywood film which is a comedy, it doesn't matter if you're a male superstar or female superstar. And when you do a film which is credible, it has a different lens altogether. And automatically, that also works out commercially if the budgets are planned. So it's all, I don't think that pressure that, you know, we should be every time performing on those numbers should be there. But yeah, to be honest, like, all 3 times till today, we've opened at 10.
I think an actor's job is to act, to do different roles. An actor's job is to select great scripts, whatever he's offered, to the best of that. An actor's job actually comes into play when he's listening to a script in his living room or in his vanity van, wherever he chooses to listen or read his or her script. That is where a film is actually born and made. And that is the job of an actor. Beyond that, I think we have experts to do their job as well. And the audience comes in to watch a film, and if the film is, like I said, anything, however, but entertaining, but fun, or thrilling, or emotional, I think they're ready for it. And there's no better time than today.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get to see this in theaters on the 13th of September.
Last one, really.
Aaiye.
Hi, Kareena. Sorry for barging in, but I just had to. Congratulations. This looks amazing. You know, my question to you is, you have mentioned watching, you know, you were a fan of Mayor of Easttown and you wanted to do a detective thriller. Tell me how much that influenced your character, and was Kate Winslet on your drawing board at all?
That is the truth. Actually, this script came to me even like almost 1 year before Mayor of Easttown. Right. But I mean, actors should draw inspiration from different actors. You know, it's kind of a form of motivation, you know, to make you do better, to make you want to do better. And that's what I want to do. So definitely Kate Winslet is, I'm a huge fan of her work. I watch her work closely, but this is my interpretation of the character. But there's no harm in actors having and drawing inspiration, because every actor, I think, needs some sort of motivation, and if it comes from another actor, then
Absolutely.
so be it.
Absolutely.
Also, it's flattering to be compared to Mayor of Easttown, but this is not Mayor of Easttown. मतलब ये गलत फहमी है कि this is adapted from that, or yeah. So this is a completely different story and film. That was also a series. Remember that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.